Hi, boys and girls. Today for language, we are going to talk about pronouns. Say that with me, pronoun. So what is a pronoun? We're going to talk about subject pronouns. And a pronoun is a part of speech that takes the place of a noun. So we take the noun out of the sentence and put a pronoun in its place. Every pronoun always refers to a specific noun. When a pronoun is the subject of the sentence, who or what the sentence is about, it is called a subject pronoun. So here are our subject pronouns. Our singular ones, when we're talking about one person, place, or thing, I, you, for one person, he, she, it. When we talk about plural nouns, plural pronouns, that means more than one, we, you, for more than one person, and they. So keep these in mind as we move forward. So let's do some together for practice. Sam watches the skaters. Over here, we can put a pronoun in, blank watches the skaters. And let's write these down. I'm going to put these here. I, you, he, she, it, we, they, you. Is that it? We, you, they, I, you, he, she, it. Yeah. So we have to choose from one of those. So the subject here is Sam. So we could say he watches the skaters. Now maybe some of you know a girl whose name is Sam. You could say she watches the skaters. Number 2, blank skated quickly. Let's fill in a name. I'm going to put Brianna skated quickly. So here, the subject pronoun we're going to put in is she skated quickly. Try to think about these before I write the answers. Number 3, the skaters glide over the ice. What is the subject in that sentence? It is skaters. It's plural, so we have to use we, they, or you. Which one sounds correct? We glide over the ice, but I'm not included in that. They glide over the ice. Number 4, Sam and Martha have hot chocolate. Sam and Martha are the subjects. They have hot chocolate. Number 5, blank came to. Give me an example of a subject joined with and. Let's say Tim and Grace came to. So which one is plural? So it's one of these 3. They came to. Blank skate well. It's a singular verb, so it's not a plural verb. We need to have it be a plural subject. So we could say Mariah and Veronica skate well. They skate well. Number 7, my sister fell and hurt her knee. Subject is sister. It's singular. She fell and hurt her knee. Number 8, your mother is waving to all of us. Mother is the subject. She is waving to all of us. Let's go ahead, get out activity book 13.2 And the directions say, replace the words in parentheses, which is these little things here. You see those in math too, with the correct pronoun from the box. Write the pronoun on the line. So let's take a look at number 3, actually. We're going to do number 3. So in parentheses, they have the person you are talking to. Okay? It's the person you are talking to, like ice cream. So I'm having a conversation with someone right in front of me, and I would say to them, you like ice cream. You like ice cream. Let's look at number 5. Your name. So we're putting in Mrs. Goshert. Enjoyed the grammar lesson and learned a lot. So this would be, since we're talking about me or whatever your name is, we're replacing with I enjoyed the grammar lesson and learned a lot. Number 6, my dogs eat every bite in their bowls. My dogs, we need to replace, it has an S, it's plural, so we need to use one of our plural pronouns. Does it make sense to say we eat every bite in their bowls? Are you a dog? Does it make sense to say you eat every bite in their bowls? Or they eat every bite in their bowls? It is they. Do you see, if I'm not sure, I can substitute all the words in the sentence until I'm sure I have the right one. Number 7, we're substituting the 3 people you are speaking to. So there's 3 people in front of me and I'm talking to them. Make up my grammar team. Well, we can't use we because I'm not included in that. I'm talking to 3 other people. You make up my grammar team. I could say, you make up my grammar team, couldn't I? And I'm talking with them, so we use you. I would use they if I was telling someone else about them. Number 8, we want to substitute for your favorite book. Fascinates me even when I read it a second time. So your favorite book. Here's a clue. Book is a thing, right? I can hold it in my hand. When that happens, we want to use it. And I put a capital for all of these because they're the beginning of a sentence. So I want you to go back and you are going to do numbers 1, 2, and 4 on your own. Let's take a look at the back of the 13.2. It says, read each sentence below and mark the subject by writing an S over top of it. Write a new sentence replacing the subject with the appropriate subject pronoun. Mark the pronoun as the subject by underlining it in the new sentence. Then answer the question. So they gave us an example. The sentence was, my brother teaches me to shoot hoops in our driveway. The subject of the sentence is brother, so they wrote an S above that. And they rewrote the sentence to replace brother with he. He teaches me to shoot hoops in our driveway. Underlined he because it's the new subject of the sentence. And who does the pronoun refer to? My brother. Number 1A, the black dogs sleep under the porch. Well, the subject is the black dogs sleep under the porch. Dogs is plural, so we use you, we, or they. They is the appropriate one. Sleep, and we're rewriting the whole sentence. So all our words should be spelled correctly, capital at the beginning, period at the end, and underline that new subject that we have. And who is they referring to? The black dogs. Let's look at number 2. Number 2 says, Sally, Sandy, and Sherman watch the funny movie. Go ahead and pause the video and see if you can try this one on your own and come back to see how you did. Welcome back. Hopefully you labeled Sally, Sandy, and Sherman as your subject, and the pronoun you needed to use was they, so your new sentence is they watched the funny movie, and the pronoun refers to Sally, Sandy, and Sherman. Check your work to make sure you have it correct. You're going to do number 3 on your own. Number 3, the directions say, change the fragment into a complete sentence. So you wouldn't walk up to someone and say, my pet hamster. That's not a complete thought. It's a fragment. So I want you to make this a complete sentence. You're going to write my pet hamster over, put a capital, you need a period, and you need a complete thought. Can't wait to see what you come up with.